Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll show you how to make mushroom fried rice. This recipe takes just 5 minutes to prepare if you have already cooked rice with you. Without further delay, let's see how to prepare mushroom fried rice. Let's begin with preparing the rice. For this I'm taking 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. Wash this 2-3 times and then soak it for 15 minutes. Now take around 6 cups of water to cook the rice. Once the water is hot, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Then add the rice and cook on high flame for 7 to 10 minutes till the rice cooks perfectly. Keep an eye on the rice, it should not be overcooked. Once it's done, drain out the excess water and immediately pour 1 cup of chilled water to stop the cooking. Once the water is drained out, spread the rice on a plate to cool down completely. This will help you get perfect non-sticky grains of rice for the fried rice, just as we all like to have. Now into a pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 cups of any mushroom of your choice. Here I have taken button mushrooms. Cook them on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Also add some salt and pepper to it while cooking. This seems to be done. Take it out on a plate. Into the same pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil and then 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilli, half onion. Saute this for 30 seconds and then goes half finely chopped capsicum, 1 small carrot finely chopped, 3 French beans, 3 tablespoons of cabbage. Saute all this for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. After 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix this all together and then add some pepper, about half teaspoon, and some salt. Then drop our cooked rice and gently mix all of this together. Once the rice is mixed with the vegetables, drop in the sauteed mushrooms to this and gently combine all of it and finally sprinkle some spring onion on top and serve it hot. Our mushroom fried rice is ready to be served. Serve them hot and enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you all did, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. So till we meet next with another exciting video, take care and bye bye.